Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by my channel. My name is Kadeem for those of you who don't know, and my whole goal is really to share financial education, financial knowledge with people like you. I find that in Canada, there's not a lot of people doing that, and that's where I come in. So if you find this information valuable, you find it beneficial, I ask you to like, subscribe, and share this content with someone who you may think may find it beneficial as well. All right, that'll help to make this common knowledge and push this information before more people. So again, I thank you for stopping by. Let's go ahead and get into the content. Hey everyone, Kadeem here. Hope everyone's staying happy, healthy, and safe. It's scary times that we're in. We're in some scary times right now. And the reason I say that is because no matter what you put your money into in the market right now, for the most part, you're going to see some gains. And the reason I say it's scary is because we have people who've never invested before, some people who've never heard of a trading account, some people who don't necessarily know what a mutual fund is, a segregated fund, or again, a trading account and how it works, who are opening up trading accounts and investing based off of the, I guess, opinion of their friends, right? Or based on what they've been hearing. Because there's a lot of news, right? A lot of hearsay going on, and a lot of people just kind of giving their opinions on the fact that you should be investing. You should be investing. That's a recommendation. But the issue is that a lot of people are going up and opening trading accounts, right? The issue is that a lot of people are going and opening trading accounts specifically, and it's just them managing their own investments. And again, if you've never heard of a trading account before, you don't really know how a stock works or how options work or anything along those lines, how are you going to go and open a trading account, putting all of your money in there, expecting it to go up when you have no idea how it really works? And that's the scary part of it, because your money, you will likely see gains based on the fact that everything is increasing right now. We have all-time highs in 2021, right? Historical all-time highs. Hence why everyone's opening up a trading account and just putting money in and playing with it, right? But it's all fun and games until someone gets hurt. We've all heard that before. And if we continue to play with our money in the market the way a lot of people have been since 2020 until this year, what's going to happen when it starts to correct itself, right? I want you to think about that, because it starts to correct itself. The government stops pumping so much money into the market, which is actually helping everything to increase, because there's more money to invest, more money to spend, more money to do whatever, right? When that all stops or slows down, it is likely there's going to be a correction. And I'm not saying there's going to be a huge correction. I'm not saying there's not going to be a huge correction. I don't know. However, I do think personally that there will be a correction. Do your own research. I always say, what are you going to do when that correction occurs if you have your own direct investing account, right? If you have your own trading account, are you protecting yourself in case of the losses? Or are you investing particularly or specifically for gains? Because if you're in all, let's call it equity, right? You're investing in things that are for growth. You're not really protecting yourself on the downside. So what's going to happen with all of your money if there is a correction, or when there is a correction? Think about that, because we're in a bull market. A bull market means everything is going up, right? Or a bull market means certain, like the majority of it, the markets, they're increasing. But it will eventually, likely, turn into a bear market, which means everything is kind of falling or going downward. What goes up, they say, must come down. So again, I encourage you to do your research, reach out to someone like me, a financial professional, right? Somebody who knows and who's been studying these things, who can help you to structure yourself correctly, so that in the event of a bear market or the market correction, you don't necessarily have to worry, right? And the other thing to that is, you can get more information on why it might be a good idea for you in particular to have a trading account, or why it might not be. I don't like to give a standard solution. I like to give a customized solution. But generally, I would say if you really do want to have a trading account, don't put all your assets in there. Put a little bit. right? So you can figure it out and see how it works. But have your investments over here that are actually working for you, managed by professionals or whatever that you got over here. All right. So again, it's scary because everyone's opening up trading accounts because everything is going up. Oh yeah, it's doing well. Okay. What happens when it corrects itself? Think about it, right? If you've never been in a trading account before and you're putting all of your money in there thinking, oh yeah, well, I'm doing so well. I'm doing so great because I'm seeing a 10%, 20% return. I caution you again to reach out to a professional, to do your research, and to take it one step at a time. All right. So that's it for me, everybody. Kadeem here. Hopefully that was helpful for somebody. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay blessed.